Meaning of Jesse Owens.
Jesse Owens.
Jesse Owens.
Jesse Owens.
Jesse Owens. Jesse Owens was an American track and field athlete who won 4 gold medals at the 1936 Olympics in Berlin, Germany. He is widely regarded as one of the greatest athletes in history, and his achievements are notable not only for their athletic excellence, but also for the cultural and political significance of his victories at a time when racial segregation was still prevalent in the United States. Owens' success is considered a significant milestone in the fight for civil rights and against racism.